looking for a once-in-a-lifetime experience in Seoul? Well, aside from food and touring around the city of Seoul, the experience as a local is something you might wanted to add to your to-do list during your trip. Aside from using their subway and visiting their local markets, I thought it could be a better experience to try the Korean Perm or Korean down Perm and do the haircut as well. I've seen this procedure in Manila when I bump into the banks Bituin and Jockey, but hey, don't get me wrong, I know there's a lot of K-salon already in the Philippines, but having this experience exactly here in Seoul is something more special to me. So here we are in Ravi here. It's a 5-minute walk from Hongkik University station. Just go straight exit 9. You can check them out in Naver Map. The man cut designer cost me around like 25,000 Korean won, and the down perm cost me around 30,000 Korean won. Not sure if it's cheap or something, but looking at this price in Manila, it will cost me more, I guess. Let's convert it, maybe like 25,000 plus 30,000 Korean won will bring me to almost 2,300 pesos. Again, that's 2,300 pesos. Hey, I think that's not bad to think that I got the good customer service from the Korean locals with free Wi-Fi, free cold hot drinks, and definitely the good customer service. And I would say if you're going to check the menu here, you just have to use your Papago app. So the Papago app can help you to navigate and convert all the Korean or the Hangul languages to English one. So just go to your Apple store or Android store. And then this one is the kind of perming, the down perm. Well, basically it's one of the normal procedure being done to most, not just the actors, the K-pop, but most of the majority of male. So why is that? Because when you Google it, it's more of to keep them manage their hair, because the Asian hair, especially the Koreans, the Japanese, and the Chinese, have a thicker hair and unmanageable at some point. So having this down perm can help them to doing their everyday living, not costing much in the gel or the wax. And this is actually one of the things that I wanted to consider. And by the way, this is the free drink, the cold drink. It's actually for free, guys. You don't need to worry about it. So the process of the down perm cost me, or not cost, took me around 20 to 30 minutes. And while I was just waiting, they hand me some of the menus just to check what other products that they do have. And also, I'm about to meet this Pamya, this dog. So it's a Labrador dog owned by one of the designer, the hairdresser. And then this is the coffee shop that they have for waiting, maybe for those person who wanted to wait. The books as well, there's the bookshelves, there's the magazines. And guys, the authenticity and the aesthetic vibe of the salon itself is like a very Korean, right? So after 20 minutes, they add something kind of liquid here on my side hair, and then they did the blower afterwards. And you know what, guys, originally when this guy asked me like what kind of look do you want it to achieve, I said I want your haircut, I like that kind of hairstyle. So this Korean woman is like she's very entertaining, and then she explained to me that okay, your hair is not too long, but we'll try our best, like when it gets long it will be the same like this almost. So she did everything and good enough. I am perfectly and super happy with what happened. So after this blower, well, the blower is not too hot, it's just a normal one. And then she did this designing on she just made some curving beside my hairline. Then guys, this is something that you might wanted to check out. So honestly, it's hard to do, especially if you don't have the right blower. You just have to do the drying all the time. In terms of managing, it's kinda easy to look at, but in reality it's a bit hard. I don't know why. And then they didn't make this pagpag, and then they let me do the video. I'm so happy. Thank you, guys. And yeah, this is the very last part. So she added some wax and a little bit of hairspray. I took some photo of that, but I couldn't find it on my album, but maybe I'll find it soon. But this is it. This is what it looks like. So pretty much happy with Ravi Salon, and thank you guys for keep on supporting me this video.